We are on the Save Sims joint. Let me put your on, dog. Save Sims joint. This is going to the YouTube, the TikTok. You know? The YouTube, the TikTok. Playlist of the summer. City Boy Summer. Sunman Turn Gold. Follow him. Come on now, you already know. But this isn't the track we're bumping. Yeah. Oh yeah, we start with some Frank Ocean. We start with Frank. Anita Max win. We start with Frank Ocean, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. That's it. For the white boys, the trick is, this is the scope. This is your scope. I'm the hoop. In between the scope, dead shot. Rebound!
Mom, my depression is a shapeshifter. One day it is as small as a firefly in the palm of a bear. The next, it's the bear. On those days, I play dead until the bear leaves me alone. I call the bad days the dark days. Mom says I'm lighting candles. When I see a candle, I see the flesh of a church. The flicker of a memory younger than noon. I am standing beside her casket. It is the moment I learn every person I ever come to know will someday die. And Mom says, where did anxiety come from? Anxiety is the cousin visiting from out of town. Depression felt obligated to bring to the party. Mama,
Come on,
I am the
be my
party.
kids.
Only I am the party. I don't want to be at. Mama, I am the party. Only I am the party. I don't want to be at. Mama, I am the party.
Take off. Come on. It's a blessing. Hey. That was for takeoff. Hey. Daddy.
Inside of my house, so I don't want to go.
Slow down.
I am a party. Inside of my head, it's just so much fun having fun when you don't want to have
See?
fun. I am a party.
Sam B.E. My kinda. It's my kinda. fuck is you talking about, nigga? Rip Virgil.
Christmas change. Just put it up in time. They even know that. I didn't even know that. It's not a dead shot. What are you talking about? Come on. Come on. It's floating, dude. There was no landing, dude. What's going on, dude? Come on. Run up jet fuel, right? Number 6. Also Aubrey and the Phantom. That was crazy. That's crazy. That was. OVO, you saw that. They saw that.
Anita Max win. Aubrey Drake Graham is letting us down. October's very own. Come on now.
The jeans are ripped for a reason.
We tried it, don't. This is gonna get demonetized so bad, dude. Well, if you're gonna get demonetized, you're gonna do it right?
Cut! Hold on! My sneaker messed up! Hold on! October's very early, huh? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Come on! How's it? Some for veteran, you don't hold it disrespect, you know? Come on now. This one's for Rolex then. So crazy. What do you mean? Oh my goodness. Alright. I don't know, dude.
This one's for Medea, you know, Tyler Perry Studios.
Oh! Come on!
Banger, Waken, TikTok. Waken on TikTok, follow.
There's no defense. They're basically not looking. Oh! The jeans are ripped. Ah! Okay.
That's Sims from the booth, hey? I'll see you guys in the morning for coffee.